Hello, my name is Jack O'Neill. Last summer, I worked with Bechtel Coporation in their new headquarters in Reston, Virginia. I worked as a corporate project controls intern. Therefore, I was not assigned to a specific project, but rather aided in multiple projects throughout Bechtel during my 10 weeks there. A little bit more about me. I'm studying CEM, am in the class of 2021, and participate in Habitat for Humanity, Beta Tau, Theta Tau, and Purdue Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Club. My supervisor for the summer was Stephen Gross, and my Bechtel buddy, who was a younger employee that helped us get more acclimated to work life and the office life, was Jeremy Blackwell. One of the biggest lessons I learned come from the Bechtel Covenants, and that is, wherever we go and whatever we do, we collaborate. Going into this internship, I was more of a put your head down and don't pick it up until the work gets done type of guy. I was very proud of my work and didn't want anyone else touching it. This type of work does not fly in the industry, and I collaborated with my peers around the world daily. One day, I could be on a conference call with a project controls manager in Santiago, Chile, and the next day, I'll be in a nuclear security and environmental meeting conjuring up ideas for an internal repository of information to be used by project controls engineers throughout the company. And that project is what happened to be my summer project, and I will talk about that on the next slide. So one of my biggest summer projects was this repository of information that project controls engineers would be using daily on the job. I used a software called Microsoft's Power BI to map out all necessary information into a quick and easy, user-friendly toolkit. I had to host meetings with managers across the company to gain the information needed to make this toolkit. Bechtel really gave me the leash on this project, and I set up these meetings with people that had 20 plus years experience in the industry and told them what was happening, how this project benefits the company, and why I need their input to gain the necessary information and documents. You can see this toolkit below, and if you just click on any of the buttons, it will bring you to the next slide, and this is just one of the breakdowns that brings you into the estimating portion of the toolkit. Another project that I worked on was the creation of standardized reports in Power BI, and this was for BGCAP, or my first one is for BGCAP. These reports included cost performance, staffing plans, and safety information. Managers would input their data to my report template, and Power BI would automatically create the information or create the dashboard that shows the information needed for managers, clients, and other leaders in the company. Pictured behind me is the dashboard, but I've blacked out all the information needed, and I'm not going to, or I blacked out all the information that I'm not allowed to show you. So pulling that big up here, yeah, there's a bar graph that will update to show you the number of workers in those filters that you could select on the side, which includes staffing position, company, department, phase, employee name. And then it also goes with the average equivalent workers for fiscal year with phase and fiscal year with company. Other tabs on this dashboard include the plan versus actual schedule, information on man months, and an employee database with working months for each worker. This dashboard is the first one that I created and will be used as a template for all projects to input their Excel sheets or databases. I created many different dashboards after this, as I became more proficient with Power BI. My greatest triumph was seeing the president of the company using my work to see how his projects are doing and complimenting me on my work. Working in headquarters was probably a little different than most internships in construction, but the experience has a large impact on my professional development. I gained leadership and experience in hosting meetings and conversing with upper management. I became a better speaker and gained confidence as a public speaker. Also, with relation to CEM, I learned the basics of how a construction company works from the highest level, with emphasis on project controls. Going into this internship, I expected to be doing grunt work, getting coffee, only talking to immediate colleagues, and not having much say in decisions. However, I experienced a variety of tasks that challenged me, took the lead on projects that made me make my own decisions, and became a large role in the functioning of corporate project controls during a very busy part of the year. I thank you for listening to this presentation. Feel free to send me a message or talk to me in class, because my original presentation was 12 minutes during my report out, and I could only keep this to 5 minutes, so I could talk about this forever. Thank you.